What's going on here, YouTube? It's Emmanuel here. Today I just received my JBL Live 650 BT headphone, which is the active noise cancellation with the Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa built in, guys. All right, this headphone got so much good review online, and I want to take a good look at it myself. So it got a 20 hours battery life with the noise cancellation going on, as you see here. You could play two different devices, like connect to two different devices, your tablet and your cell phone. Like you have it playing on your tablet and you got a phone call, you don't want to remove your headphone. You could just switch right from there to your cell phone and then enjoy your conversation. So this is what's going on, man. I like to work in the garage. For some reason, I want to listen to music to stay focused, but I don't want my neighbor to know that I'm playing music, and I don't want my neighbor to also disturb me. So I've been searching and I got this one. I hope it's gonna work out. So let's open and see what we got in here, guys. So take a look, take a look, take a look. Let me open this box real quick. I got my knife going on here. All right. All right. Open this thing, this bad boy, and see what we got in here. What we got here? What we got here? Oh, there we go. Beautiful. All right, guys, this is a headphone here. You see the black JBL logo. I don't know. It's like, it's not a glass, but it looks like it's kind of like beautiful looking in there, and a fancy brown, dark brown color looking in there. Beautiful. And this is like dang, I thought this thing was Type C, man. Okay, so whatever, but it's a good cable. Beautiful, fancy looking. Put that to the side. All right, then we have here, just in case you run out of battery, you have the audio cable with the microphone and also a controller right there. As you see, the microphone. All right, so let's put that to the side. There we go. So now let's take up the board himself. Let's see. What do you? Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Come on to daddy. Come on here. Come on. So this is what we got, guys. I am going to make sure you guys see this. And also remember, guys, I'm going to show you how to connect this headphone, but I was put that in a separate video because I don't want to make the video super long. But just so you know, this is a really good product. It's got a really good feel. It's lightweight. And that ear mugs right there, ear cup, whatever you call them, is soft. And it looks like you could keep this on for so many hours without even, thinking about taking it off. So you can see in the ear cup, they got left and right. So what the right says, it would be where you got all the button going on. So that's how you could easily recognize it. So you got the volume down, volume up, and whatever in the middle there. I'm going to tell you that later when I'm connecting them in a separate video. This is a power button right there. You push that and hold it down or something, then it's gonna be in the paired mode or something, and that's it. And they got a Bluetooth button right there. I think this is a button that you actually use to switch from another device to another device. And one thing I like about it is when you have it in your ear, it looks like the LED light stays on. All right, just so people know that you got your Bluetooth in your ear. Yeah. So, look at this guy. If you got a big head just like me, this is yours. Because my head is super big. You don't want to see it, man. My head is super big, but it still fit me, I'm pretty sure. All right, so here, you ain't got to worry about this thing's breaking because it's a steel right there. You can see, like, a piece of steel or metal, how do we call that? It's a really hard, fancy thing that's not gonna break. You ain't gonna worry about that. All right. And just so you know, I got mine from Best Buy, so I put like a extra 2-year warranty on it just in case it's broken. Best Buy gonna give me another one. All right, right on top of the sorry, you see the JBL logo right there. I don't know what is there, but it's good looking and it's not coming off. That's something is going to be there for good. All right, and whatever material they have going on here is a really beautiful material. You ain't got to worry about it. And right in here it's also soft, and you're not even going to notice this thing is sitting on top of your head because it's feel really light. And based on the review, they say it got a beautiful sound. And I'm familiar with the JBL product. This is my first JBL headphone, but I have a 2017 Toyota Highlander Limited. So in the limited model, they have a JBL speaker. All right, you're gonna see the orange thing on the door. That's the JBL sound system. So I know what it sounds like. All right, so it's a good headphone. Now we see it. Let's put that to the side to make this video short. All right. It's already talking to me. I don't know what it's saying. I can't understand you. All right. So when you lift the box, you see underneath you have like a little carry case. This is not case or a bag. All right. So that bag also comes with a JBL logo on it. So when you have your JBL headphone in it and you're carrying it around and people, oh yeah, he got a JBL. Oh, JBL. Okay, so in the bag, we have like a instruction manual. Say here, Live 650 BT, JBL with the beautiful thing right there. So you see, it say Google Assistant and Amazon and all that. So let's see what we got in here. So in there we have nothing but the warranty and all that. So you want to make sure you get this stuff from Best Buy and put the additional warranty on it. Something happened, it could replace that for you, because I have an experience with Apple. I got a couple Apple product that when something wrong with it, even 2 weeks later, they want to fix that. They don't want to give you something new. They want to fix that. So now I choose to buy my stuff from Best Buy and put the warranty on it. Something wrong, Best Buy will change that for you. So you have to download my JBL headphone app on your Play Store or Apple, Google Play Store or Apple Store, whatever you call them. All right. Once you download them, you'll be able to set it up and also listen to your headphone, be able to turn on and off your noise cancellation. That's the only way you can turn it on and off from the apps on your phone. Okay. And also remember, guys, when you download the apps, it will allow you to set up your Google Assistant and your Amazon Alexa. Okay. So download that app first, and then it will tell you what to do. And I'm going to show you in the next video how to set up that. Okay, guys. So remember, guys, in order to use the Amazon Echo system, you have to have your Amazon Echo Dot in your house already set up. In that way, when you download the apps on your phone, it's easy to do all that connection, because you cannot use the application if you don't have the device itself in your house. It's also the same thing as your Google Assistant. If you have one of that in your house, it will allow you to be able to use the application on your headphones. So once again, this is the open box for my live JBL 650. So I think it's a good product. I'm gonna enjoy it, guys. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and also check out all my video, because I'm gonna post on the how to connect the device to your Amazon system and your Google system. I'm gonna post that in a separate video. So guys, I love y'all, and y'all have a good one. This is Emmanuel. Bye bye.